Jay, can you intro the video for us?
Hey guys, today I'll be riding around town avoiding the police at all costs on my mini bike.
That's right. I gotta keep this baby lubed up. Well guys, we can thank my girlfriend for that wonderfully explained intro to this video, but we got ambulances all over the place here, getting a quick ride out before it inevitably pours. It sucks because today was actually supposed to be the one-way Corey and Rosati ride out. I was gonna go to that, but got canceled due to rain, so we're still gonna ride, get some content for y'all, and just have a good time. Try and continue to progress here. Guys, I also just recently started posting videos on Instagram, Reels. Never did that before. So if you don't, follow me on Insta at Connor G Media to get some early coverage of shorts. But yeah, we're just getting out here. I think today I want to do a quick rip down this Schuylkill River Trail. That's always kind of fun. I think like my past 3 videos at this point have gotten rained out. Whew. You see, this here is actually a super fun place to ride down. I just don't do that frequently because usually there's a good amount of people here, and I try not to be too much of a nuisance. But we're riding it today. It's a nice relaxed Sunday anyways. Whoop. Excuse me. I love these little bike things, they're so funny. Oh yeah, let's go on this. I think these are called like the Schuylkill Banks. It's just a cool little walkway here. Oh, this is sweet, just wheeling it right on the water. What about a one-hander? Yep, one-hander on the water. What about another? Yep, try another knee knock. Oh, an e-bike. An e-bike. He did not seem interested in me at all. Guys, one thing I will say about this Kunray motor from Electro&Co, it's the Kunray 1020 Plus. It's a great motor. It's been great for me so far, but since I have the Sumo wheels on, I don't have the heatsink on it, so the thing gets really hot really fast. And I sometimes will notice, and I mean, it especially has to do with how I ride, but I'll sometimes notice there's a little bit of lag or hesitation from the motor when I've been riding for a while. Like, I don't feel it at all right now, but when I do go a while, I'll notice it, and that's just something to think about. So I've actually been talking to Electro&Co. I think I might try and do the EC4P motor, and the thing with that is I'll need a longer swing arm, and it looks like Electro&Co is actually making a longer swing arm, so hopefully we can get our hands on one of them. But I don't think you need the upgraded motor. I mean, I just think it would be cool to have. But this motor does just fine. My only qualm is that I can't get the heatsink to fit with the RSF wheels. But if you just rock the dirt wheels, then you're fine. Damn, it looks like this is the end of the trail. What's up? What's good? I do. Hi, yeah. You can say hi to my 2,000 subscribers. I don't have a lot, but hey, that's the man. What's your guys' names?
My name's Joshua.
Joshua? Jamie, you guys got wheelies? You guys are probably better at wheeling than me. Connor G, so C-O-N-N-O-R G. Beige G. Yeah. You see, it's me on a dirt bike. This is it. Yes, sir. That's my guy.
Dude, that's awesome.
Well, I'm gonna sweat my ass off if I stay here, but have fun, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Peace. Shout out those kids. That was just like me when I was younger. And let's do a one-hander again. Woo! Barely caught that one. See, the thing I've found with one-handers is you just have to really modulate your throttle hand. Like, you're not gonna loop if you don't give it more throttle, but if you turn, dude, and you're not covering your rear brake, you're gonna eat shit. So I'll be at balance point, then I'll dip down, take the hand off, and then grab rear brake again. It's kind of hard for me to do it all at once while explaining because I'm not that good at it yet. You almost want to get it low enough so you have to chase it out back up to balance point. Took the left-hand turn. Can we take the right now? Oh, we're hanging. Oh, yo, did you go to that concert, The Last Goodbye?
The Last Goodbye?
Yeah. Yeah. Dude, at the Man Center? Yeah, dude, I was there too. Great concert.
I made it to the pit.
Oh, shit.
Yo, the fucking drums and shit.
Dude, that's so sick.
Nobody does it like him.
Yeah, it was insane. I think we're ready to go back up this way. Back up the trail. Don't want to tempt Mother Nature too much. It's interesting jogging attire. Nothing like running in jeans in 88-degree weather. I didn't even know this was here. Got a little woods action. Oh no, stairs. Stairs. Just ride it up. Here we go. I love this thing, guys. It's so much more capable than I am, even, so that's the best part about it. This guy's about to fly a drone. Thing is sweet. You getting some city shots? Yeah. Nice. Is that the Mavic? Yeah. Sweet. Air 2, nice. Could get you a cool wheelie shot. Down this? Yeah. All right, so I think I'm gonna get a photo from this guy in a wheelie. He said go far, so. Whew. How do they look? Oh, that's sweet, man.
Yeah, this lens is a beast.
Dude, that is such a beast. The bokeh is crazy too. Connor. Rodolfo, nice to meet you, man. Dude, appreciate it, dude. Those are sick photos. I'll have you up on the channel too, man. And even no better way than to end it with some circles. Bye guys, peace.